Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can add your Threads account on your Instagram bio. So first is we have to open the Threads app. Alright, so once you're here, you just have to log into your account. So click on your profile picture or your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. And then you have this share profile option. So tap on it. And then you just have to copy your Threads linked account. Now you just have to go back to Instagram. That's right. And then right here, just click on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen. And then you have this edit profile and share profile. So tap on the edit profile. That's right. And then right here, just have to proceed to the links option. So tap on the links. That's right. And then here we can add another external link. So click on the add external link and then tap here and then paste here your URL or your threads link. That's right. After that, you can also add a title for this link. Right. So I'm just going to type it right here, threads, and then tap on the checked option at the top right corner of your screen. Then just wait for a couple of seconds. And then here, let us check if we have successfully added here our another link. So let's tap on the other one. And here we have our sites and our threads linked account. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.